Hey everyone, welcome to your energy meditation and oracle card reading. This is Lauren with the Clarity Cure. Welcome back, guys. How are you? It feels like it's been a while since I've done a reading, but that's probably not the case. It just seems that way. Thursdays are my big filming day. I went live on TikTok a little while ago. That was so much fun. I'm going to be going live on YouTube tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard. So with that being said, let's get this reading done for you guys. 2 cards flipped out for you from my Sacred Geometry deck, so I decided to take them. Consciousness, okay? The frequency of consciousness supports our ability to focus our attention on the multidimensional aspects that show up so that we can include them into our reality, okay? So we'll dig in as we move through the reading. And your second Sacred Geometry card, and this one I just love. There's some dynamic energy here for you guys. The frequency of dynamic supports our ability to harmonize between layers and aspects of different origins and frequencies. It helps us to put together a reality. See, reality. These are flipping out for a reason. Conscious thought, coming to terms with being in the moment, having a conscious thought about what you're doing in the world instead of racing through the world. Maybe self-reflection is noted here. Also raising your vibration to reach this dynamic energy. Wow, manifest what you want. It helps us to put together reality that is made up of many different elements, both familiar and completely new, with ease, grace, and great joy. Yeah. Your 3 chakra wisdom cards are confusion, rejection, and release. And it's interesting, they're all gray, which is your overall energy. So we're going to do a quick little cleansing of our auric field. Many of you could be dealing with feeling like you need to release, but you don't know what to release. You do have the 4 of Swords over here with the Major Arcana, so maybe some of you are dealing with a death. That's very possible. You see how this person is standing in a graveyard. So that could be a situation for some of you, not all of you. You have rejection. Maybe you feel like you've been rejected, left out in the cold. You know, the 4 of Swords definitely can indicate a time where you're taking a break. This could be taking a break from a relationship. This could be taking a break from a job. This could be taking a break because there's been something traumatic in your life and you just need some downtime. Okay, so yeah, keep that under your hat. And then the 3rd card, confusion, release, rejection, release, confusion. Sorry about that. Confusion. So there's definitely some confusion about what's going on in your life. And this could be tough, like when you're in a whirlwind about maybe making a decision about what you want to do or where you're going. But I'll tell you what's really interesting. Your second tarot card is the 9 of Cups, which is emotional fulfillment. So it's like this is an opportunity for you to really get what your heart's desire, what you really want. What is it you really want? It's like if you raise your vibration, if you shift your energy, if you do energy healing, if you make a conscious effort to shift your vibration by releasing, right, what no longer serves you, okay, getting out of the state, you're going to manifest what you want. And let me tell you, your 3rd card is the Queen of Wands, and she'll kick your butt and take your name. Okay, so she's the ultimate manifester. This is the divine feminine energy. This is balancing the masculine and the feminine. She's been making a lot of appearances all year, especially for me in my readings. That's because she doesn't take any crap. She's serious. She gets down to the brass tacks of what it is she wants to manifest in the world. She's a queen. She's been through the tarot, right? She's mature. So if you really want to be in this place, make a wish, baby, and get clear, all right? Forget about these emotional attachments to what you think you don't have or what you want or the confusion, and raise your vibration, and these opportunities will come in. I mean, it's pretty spectacular. Have a conscious thought A lot of us just go through life, but you got to connect to who you are inside. You got to connect to your emotions. You got to connect to your body and release the stuff that does not serve you. Okay? And if you're in a funk because you lost a job, or this has something to do with the pandemic, it's over. It's behind us. We have to adjust our life and move forward. I mean, yes, this whole thing is still going on, but it's time for change, right? We have to take action with our own lives to create the change that we want, okay? So let's do an energy healing. This is so powerful. This is what's, I just want to like pin this on my chest. I mean, this is so, I just love all the colors, right? So take in this symbol, like let it go into your third eye here, okay? And shift. This healing will help, all right? So let's get comfy real quick. We're in 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes in. We're good. Okay, hands together in prayer posture. We're going to shift and release, okay, this stagnant old energy, any confusion you have about which direction to go. We're going to release all that. And if you're dealing with any kind of rejection or feeling not good enough, that's out the door too. Some of you could be artists. I just saw that. But see him with his holding his paintbrushes. Screw that shit. Keep moving forward and doing your work. No matter what anybody says, it doesn't matter. Okay, we only here for a short time. I want you guys to feel empowered to move forward. Okay, but connect here first. All right, hands in prayer posture. You can sit in a chair. You can sit Indian style on the floor. I just want you to be comfortable in a position where you can close your eyes for a few minutes. Focus on your hands. Bringing your attention to your palms, to yourself, taking 5-10 minutes out for yourself to check in, to release these energies that no longer serve you, to clear out the auric field through this energy vibrational, quickie little meditation here. And you can always come back and watch it, several times if that works for you. Okay. Focus, connect to the energy line from the universe, God source energy, universal energy, God energy, what works for you, the consciousness energy, okay, opening up your crown chakra, coming down through your third eye, speaking your truth down through your throat chakra, moving the energy into your heart, releasing your heart from any preconceptions, any denial about rejection, confusion, releasing, dealing with any pain that is associated with this particular situation, becoming the Queen of Wands, making your wishes come true, feeling emotionally abundant, down to your solar plexus, healing the pain, down to your sacral chakra, bringing that energy line now through your root and down into Mother Earth, anchoring you firmly to the universal Mother Earth, God source energy. If you're feeling some heat in your hands, that's fabulous. I want you to separate your hands slightly. See if you're feeling this connection to the energy. If not, you can tap your fingers, guys. Okay, you can rub your hands. Let's stimulate the energy. Let's release what doesn't serve you anymore. Let's get rid of this confusion. Clear your mind. Okay, take the energy that's between your palms. Okay, and bringing up to your crown chakra. Inviting the energy in. Clearing. Wiping. Imagine you're cleaning your chakras. Do a little scrub. Let that God energy down into your body. Open your third eye. Moving the energy to your throat. Open up your throat chakra. Again, if you don't feel the energy, you can tap your fingers, rub. You can clap. You can stimulate. You can always go back. Okay, I want you to try and stay connected to the energy, the frequency. This is the frequency shift that you need. Okay, let's release all this gunk. Okay, all this confusion, all this fear, all this pain, okay, all this rejection, okay, I want you to sweep it out. You could actually pull it out of your own energy body. Look at that. And imagine you're picking up what doesn't serve you, okay, these negative thoughts. And we're gonna throw them down into the sewer and let them wash away. Okay? Coming back to your chest chakra, moving the energy, inviting God source energy to heal all your chakras where you are right now. Okay, down to your solar plexus. You could have a lot of pain here, a lot of emotional pain. It's very common with this chakra to hold on to this negative energy, any preconceptions about who you think you are or who you think you should be. All right, guys, down to your sacral chakra, your gut, your core, where all the energy resides. This is your powerhouse. Expand, okay, your second chakra. Send it golden, beautiful light energy. This is your furnace. Bring some fire energy here. Whatever fire energy is in your head, you want to take this down. You're not supposed to be hot in the head. Okay, you're not supposed to be hot-headed. You're supposed to be cool. Okay? Water up, fire down. Okay, and we're gonna bring whatever fire energy down into our core and let it burn away. All right, down to your root chakra, grounding you, releasing, feeling that you are deserving, that there is a foundation below that's going to support you. Okay, guys, down to the universe. All right, let's bring our arms up. We're going to collect the energy above our head. Hello, hello. Beautiful God energy, what we've cultivated down through our chakras. Now bringing it into our bodies, the fresh, golden, beautiful energy up. One more time. 1, 2. Moving the energy. And one more time. 3 times a charm. Bringing the energy down. And release. And bow. Beautiful. Oh my God, guys, that was so amazing. I feel warm and tingly. I'm feeling the energy moving through my body. Let me know how you guys feel. Would love your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, if it resonated for you, what I can tell you, baby, is that I would not pass up on this kind of energy. And I want you to imagine right now that you're raising your vibration through this energy healing, and you're opening up your consciousness to receive what is the true potential for your future and your wish and your hope and your desire. Okay, releasing all this gunk that doesn't serve you anymore. Confusion, rejection, and releasing. A lot of us don't want to release because it's the shadow side, but you have to. You have to release what is bogging you down so you can move forward and manifest what you want in your life. It's amazing. Yeah, Queen of Wands, I love her. She does not play. Now, for some of you, this could be something that you're working on right now that could manifest in the autumn. Okay, because she always reminds me of the fall, you know, this season in the Northern Hemisphere of moving into the winter. So it's the autumn time. Okay, so it'd be opposite for my international folks, but you get what I'm saying, right? So amazing energy. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Namaste. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.